We're off now to Portugal, day one of the holiday. We're going to see Max and Holly and Romy and Kit and George and Emily, not Tip. Did that rhyme? Well, if it did, that was good. And there's Hatti. So I'm sitting next on the plane. Great. And we have to say goodbye to Rudy and Barley. You can't come with us, can you, Rudy? Rudy, you can't come with us, can you? Mum, are you excited for Portugal?
Yeah, yep.
Are you?
Yeah, I can't wait.
I don't know if you can hear me, but we're on the tarmac. Oh, there's Mum over there. Yeah. We'll see you soon. Woo boy. Look, we're finally in the car. We're on our way to Óbidos. And Mum is driving very well, aren't you, Mum?
You want it to be
yeah,
cold.
she is.
Yeah, but now you've got it to
Are you looking forward to where we're going?
Yeah, 18.
Óbidos.
Óbidos. I hope it does.
It's actually pronounced with a silent Z, you know?
We're at the shop and look at all this fish. This frozen pick and mix fish, langoustine, like saltfish. It's crazy how people on the continent. Whoa, look at all that! It actually stinks. If it had smell-o-vision, it would stink. Emily, does it smell? Stinks. Look at that. Ugh. Finally arrived in Portugal's house. It's really having a lot of fun. Had some pasta bake for dinner, and we're just sort of vegetating. Gonna watch the F1. There's George there. If you saw him there. But yeah, we've got a lot planned for tomorrow. This is we're at day 2 now in Portugal. Well, first full day, and we're off to the lagoon, aren't we, George? Okay, are we going to go to the lagoon? Yeah? Yeah? Good. Yeah. And I wonder if there's anything, maybe... There's some frogs, are there? Are there any lizards? No, no lizards. Okay, it's good, let's go. Look, Kit, look, there's a crab. George has got a crab.
Put him on the floor.
Put him on the floor, yeah?
He'll run into the sea.
You'll run in the sea, okay? You know what the way they go?
One claw. Oh no, it's got 2
They go
claws.
sideways.
Look, it goes sideways.
What's his name, Kit?
I don't want him to go that way.
Kit, can you walk like a crab?
that way.
No, he only goes sideways. Look, he's going for me.
Kit,
Ah,
Kit.
He's going back to the
Going
sea
back
now.
Can you see how they crawl? They go like this.
what?
They go sideways like this.
Okay,
You crawl like that, Kit.
It's sidle.
He's going back in the water now.
I got a massive
As
drill.
he
I got a massive drill.
as you can tell, Kit's got a massive drill.
I got a massive.
Are you tired?
I got a massive drill.
You need 12.
Thanks, G and M.
Well, I'm George and Emily, lovely brekkie. It looks quite small, but it's not. It's just
Our meal
we're
for the
actually
day,
pretty.
we're done now.
Yeah, I want to help with the barbecue.
We're having barbecue later.
Ah, hi.
Octopus tentacles.
Oscar, tell Mum octopus tentacle sardines and prawns.
Octopus tentacle sardines.
And
Can you get some
sausages.
langoustine?
Oh,
yeah. We're immersing ourselves into the culture. I'm not sure. What is it, Hatti? Do you know?
cherry liqueur.
Cherry liqueur. We're all going to get 5. Mmm.
Nice
There it is, cherry liqueur. And you've got a hat with it. I'm going to have mine. Is it nice? Nice, George?
How do you
Lovely.
drink
I'm going to
it?
drink mine now.
Full spout?
Yummy. We're now travelling up the walls of Óbidos. Do you like walls, Emily?
Not really. Not when
You
they're this
scared?
high.
Ooh.
These things, they're called like not kumquats, but something.
They look like apricots to me. But look at that's the city. Whoa.
Oh my god, you're
God, it's
scaring
really
me,
slippery.
Oscar!
Whoa. Here we go. Oh god. Just want to show you the majesty of this place. Look, this is someone's roof. And it's on this medieval wall from the 1100s. Look out there. It's amazing really, isn't it? Do you ever think there were soldiers, bowmen, wandering these things, keeping Óbidos safe from the English probably. That's pretty cool. Emily, isn't that cool? These roofs.
Yeah.
Oh me, sorry, my gnarly
And we
hands.
stopped for a little bite to eat. Like those pastel de nata and coffee. Mmm. Obrigado, Portugal.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. I can't pick mine up.
Welcome back to the Crystal Maze. I gotta get this bread into the hatch. There we go. Am I slicing it?
I think so. So number 1, you put it there. Number 2.
Put it down.
Oh, yeah.
Number
3.
3.
Choose a level.
How big?
Slice.
That one? Middle? Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's so cool!
Wow.
Wow, that's so cool. That is amazing. Imagine your hand stuck in there.
We're really in holiday mode now. We've got the barbecue going over there. We've got aqua rolls with banana splits going. I'm making
My favourite. Coleslaw.
coleslaw. Hatti?
Tomato salad.
Tomato salad. Where's the pool?
Yeah. With French salad.
See what's like it afterwards. And now Max has made a delicious meal. Max, well done. Prawns, meats. George, nice. Living in the Portuguese life. And the sun has just come out for the first time this holiday. Lovely. Lovely dinner. Now dessert, my favourite. I made, not my favourite. Holly's favourite.
My favourite.
Banana split. Do you like banana split, Kit? Do you like it? We're going for a late night walk, but there's mosquitoes everywhere. Isn't that right, Mum? Are you found some mosquitoes?
I'm going near you because you're covered in them.
Mum, you're covered in mosquitoes, aren't you?
Yeah.
You need to help me out.
Oh God, sorry. Oh, they're everywhere,
back
George.
here.
George had some earlier and it was full of
right?
blood,
Go
his
back.
own blood.
I sprayed.
Hattie sprayed. Full day, day 2. We are on our way to Lisboa, also known as Lisbon. George, where are you looking?
What?
You're not looking in the right place.
No,
Are you looking forward to going to Lisbon? What are we going to do in Lisbon?
My favourite.
What?
What?
Walking tour.
Yeah, oh right, okay, I see. Walking tour.
Running tour.
Yeah? A Segway tour? Perhaps.
You
We'll
do
see.
that?
Maybe. We'll find out. Keep you posted. We arrived in Lisbon. Look at that. Are you okay, Emily?
Yeah.
Except for our free walking tour.
It's a bit slanty.
You can't say that, Emily.
Why? Can I not? Why? Salty.
You've been cancelled. Look at that. That's gone on tour. Good. Right in on our tour. Ooh, look. Some guards. And some purple flowers.
Yes.
We're just stopping for now to get some pastel. Cheers. Coffee. Look at those beauties. That's me. Me. Oh, beauty. Yeah, I was going to say. We've come for some tapas, or tipas as we like to call it, for the tipas. Portuguese tipas. So there's some prawns, there's some other stuff. Oxtails on its way, and it looks really nice, doesn't it? Got it? Oh, didn't see you there, George.
Yeah.
What are you cooking there?
Oh, I don't want to look at it because it's not pleasant to look at.
Got raw chicken. It won't be raw soon. We're going to have got some vegetables and chorizo and potato and yeah, chorizo whole. What's that? No, chorizo made. Emily, what are you doing in there?
Nothing. I was looking for an onion actually. If you want to know.
That's in there.
And this is George's dinner idea. George, what dinner did you make here? We've got very colourful. Well, this is a very
We
good
need a bag of lettuce.
Good idea from you, George.
Thank you.
How do you, is it nice?
Delish.
Delish. Say delish, Emily. Delish. George, how was it? Yeah, your idea.
Very good.
Falls on your head.
Yeah, I'm full of my sword.
It's a new morning. And there's a lizard stuck in the pool. I think it might be a bit too late.
Oh my gosh.
Wow! Oh god, it's dead.
Do we get it?
Oh.
I think he is.